Hi guys, yeah, it's me. I just want to say happy chocolate day to everybody out there. Have you all got your twice your weight in chocolate? Right, where am I? Right, I've had a week off work. I've got another week to go. Thoroughly enjoying it. Started this beginning of the week. And it's a lovely kit. It's the Trumpeter Russian SAM-6 anti-aircraft missile system. Yeah, it's lovely. I mean, I had a bit of filling on the missiles, but hey, that's it. What can I say? It's lovely. I've had it in the firing position because I think it looked more effective than having it in the transport position. Transport position would be that, okay, whereas I think having it in the firing position just makes it a little bit more impressive. Tracks are done. It's all link and length, but they're all done, but they're lift off. I mean, it's built, but it's all come apart in segments, so I can paint it. But yeah, lovely. It's a lovely little build. I was proper impressed. Nice little trumpeter thing. So yeah. So now comes the fun part of the priming, painting, weathering, making it look as real as possible. Now, I'm in two minds. I'm thinking, I don't know yet, I'm going to see what happens, how it pans out, but I'm looking at having one in actually firing. I don't mean actually, I mean they unhook, and I was thinking of having one about there with the stream of what you call it coming out. I don't know. I'm trying to work out how the best way to do it. So I've got a photo which I'm going to try and work from, which I'll put up on the video. I might even stick it in this little bit while I'm rabbiting. But that's what I'm planning on doing. I don't know yet. It's a thought in progress, as they say. But yeah, it's something a little bit different, I thought, when I got the kit. I mean, there's a nice little bit of photo etch. There's a nice bit here with the tow cable actually having a cable rather than a bit of string, as it were, or plastic. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, but to me it was something different, so I just thought, you know what, I'll have a go. So, and then you got, also, which I haven't put on yet, is I've got the log. But I don't know what to do. The log fits on the back there. Okay? Now, my better half, she's got a couple of dagoos. They're like rat things from that live in the desert, but she's got a couple of them. Now she feeds them these bits of stick, and I've nicked one. Now I don't know whether to use that or that. The only difference is the dago stick is a bit thicker, but obviously it will look more realistic than having that on there. Admittedly though, to be fair, looking at that, it might need a little bit of alteration because that doesn't quite fit in there. But, you know, I don't know what to do. We shall see. But yeah, so that's where I am with that at the moment. So Right, I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna devour some chocolate. Yeah, so that's it from me, guys. Stay safe, and I'll probably have another video update on this, or I'm hoping to get some more done on my Band of Brothers build that I'm building, so I'm hoping to get some of that done. I had a bit of a mare with that, but that's another story. That'll be on my next update video on that. But anyway, as this goes now, this is ready for priming and painting. So yeah, that's it. I'll catch you later, guys. Ta-da.